Today's Tuesday. It is around midday, and things are not looking too good, almost 20% on the entire portfolio. Isn't the greatest day. I mean, I've had good days, have bad days, but Ebon just continues to have bad days. I have to start blaming this woman, Janet Yellen. She just really doesn't have the greatest things to say about Bitcoin.
That it's now as a market cap of over $1 trillion. Is there a point at which it becomes important to you in the context of the US economy? Meaning, is there a price at which you say to yourself, I need to really be all over this, either as a commodity or potentially as something to think about in the context of a currency?
So I don't think that Bitcoin, I've said this before, is widely used as a transaction mechanism. To the extent it's used, I fear it's often for illicit finance. It's an extremely inefficient way of conducting transactions, and the amount of energy that's consumed in processing those transactions is staggering. But it is a highly speculative asset, and I think people should beware. It can be extremely volatile, and I do worry about potential losses that investors in it could suffer.
I don't think it's any different than if somebody's making a transaction to buy illicit substance with Venmo or with Cash App, or to gamble in that sort of fashion. I don't think it's any different.
Hey, we letting this one fucking
I think that
ride to the moon, bro. let this one ride to the fucking moon. No.
It's like betting the under in a ball game. It's like, why would you want to see not an exciting, high-scoring game? I don't understand what. Also, she came up with this theory that Bitcoin is linked to climate change, stating that the bit mining farms are consuming too much energy, and it's disrupting sort of greenhouse gas effect, and the polar ice caps are melting. San Francisco is going to be underwater here in the next few years. If it doesn't hold in the 40s, then I'm not going to say sayonara to it, but if it drops under 40 here in the next few weeks or so,
I'll have to just circle back with you.
I'm not seeing a return. I'm already treading water lightly on it. 46k. It's been holding. I think that's the new resistance level after the pump and dump. It's nice to see that AMC is making a comeback in a way. I remember the whole buying frenzy with the AMCs, the Nokias, the Blackberries. So I got stuck holding on AMC because I was a bit late to the Reddit thread. So then I jumped in and it was like way too late, so I got stuck. Let's see, overall lost about 50% of that initial investment in AMC, but in New York, they're opening every AMC. It should recoup some of the revenue. That's why this whole spike is happening right now, this 15% spike, which it did really good yesterday too, but it's not getting back to where people are. I'm hoping it gets back to 15, maybe 20 here in the next year or two. Hopefully get the movies going again, but let's look at this. Former Seattle Seahawk Russell Okung puts half of salary in Bitcoin. Considered highest paid in the league now. Wonder what he got in at. So that 20k. And he's probably still holding it. I mean, 46 to 8 or 9 million profit from that. Wow. That's pretty good play there. Paid in Bitcoin. It's kind of sick. But cheers to that, man. If Bitcoin drops below 40k, I would definitely stay away from crypto plays. Until next time, peace.